In this episode, we're traveling to Sycamore Treehouse at Honey Tree Farm. Welcome back to the Holiday Shelter Channel. The Sycamore is a treehouse-inspired luxury getaway overlooking the Palo Alto Creek. It's the ideal place for your visit to the Texas Hill Country. Only 3 feet off the ground on one side makes the treehouse very accessible, but a steep creek bank gives you the impression of perching high in the branches. The Sycamore is serenity. Listen to the trickling creek from the private deck or sip your coffee in the bed loft overlooking the Texas hills. With elegant minimal design and a beautiful natural setting, the Sycamore asks you to rest. Perched on a bluff with a beautiful view of nature, the Sycamore cabin is tucked among sturdy live oaks, native pecans, and wild willow trees. From the deck, guests have a clear view of the sycamores lining the banks of the gurgling Palo Alto Creek. Huge windows lets in lots of light and natural beauty, and the lofted bedroom has a spectacular view. Thank you for stopping by. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to hear about new videos. See you in future episodes.